Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for week 3 of learning AutoCAD. Okay, what we will be doing today is I'll divide this into sections. First, we will be making offset. Second, we will match the properties. I'll explain it later in the video. We'll be breaking points. We'll do array. Yeah, that's the 4 things we're going to do today. Okay, let's dive into the video. Okay, so first things first, we open our AutoCAD. Okay, this is my AutoCAD, and this is the template I'm using. Okay, first thing I'll be showing you is how to do your offset. Okay, so in order to do the offset, you need an object. Okay, so in my case, the object is a line. Okay, so I put it here in this area. Okay, so first I'll draw a line. Okay, I'll say this is the line. Okay, so offset is you can make it, you can do another line, another polyline or polygon. Like if it's a line, and you can make the line here, or you can make it here. If it's a rectangle, right? The second rectangle can be big or smaller than the rectangle, something like that. I'll show you. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the line, the object that I'll be working with. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click offset. Okay, so I'll put my distance. I'll put about 40. Okay, and then I'll click the object, and then you can see it moves, right? So that's my offset. Okay, that's my offset. And now I'll click enter. So sorry, offset. Okay, and then how about 70? Easy. So this is my object, and and I'll click that, and that's my offset. Now, but okay, that's how you do offset. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to make a rectangular array. Okay, so first, okay, I'll set that done, and then I'll make array for my array. I'll just close this. Okay, done. No, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to show you how to match the property. Okay, matching the property is I want to match this white line to this yellow line. Okay, this line is called, it has a name, and then it's A200M wall INT, and this does not have a name. So I will match the property of this line and that line now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'm going to press match properties. I'll click match properties. As you can see here, select the source. My source is this. This will be my source. Okay, I click that, and now select destination of objects. So this is these 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, these are the lines I'll be selecting to make it as same as the above line right here. Okay, oops, sorry. To make it as same as this. So now you can see this line is A55. A200. This line is also A200, and this line is also A200. Okay, that's how you match your properties for the lines. And now I'll show you how to make what's the function of array. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just trim this first for now. Okay, to make it alright, that's good. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll make this to an object, because if I select this line, it's okay. Because I already opened this one, so I won't be doing my I won't be objectify all this. Alright, so first array, what I'll do, I'll click array and rectangular array, and then now select objects 1, 2, and 3. So I click the object, and then I press enter. So you can see I have several yeah the, uh, then was just 1 and now we have 4, so we can change it here. So if this is 4, right, I can change this to maybe 10. I can have 10 of these. Okay, for my reason now I'll just only use 4. Okay, and then you can see this is like, you know, too narrow, right? The gap is too narrow, so you can widen the gap. So in my case, I'll just click this. I'll just put about maybe 2000. Nah, 2005. Nah, 2300. Just in case. You see? Now, so you have the sections. Here are the sections. So section this, and this. Okay, this is not the same because array is the distance between this line, this line, the line here, this line to this line. Okay, that's array. That's the distance between it when you make it like wider space. Alright. So now what I'll do, I'll just trim this because I'll be showing you another way to use array. Alright. Okay, that and that. Okay, so now that's done. Now what I'll show you is how do we insert objects into the drawing, and then we can array the drawings. For example, I'll choose let's go back. Design center. I'll choose house, blocks, and we'll just take the desk. You just take the desk, alright? So I'll just drag it here. Oh, sorry, from here, drag it here, and yeah. Okay, now I'll put move. Okay, so that I'll just move it here. Okay, for my this is too big, so I'll just scale it to become a bit smaller. Okay, so how about this will be good just to show you how. So now I'm gonna do array again, but then using this object. So rectangular array. I'll click this, and that's it. See, I have multiple of this, so I can I only need 1 row. Okay, and I have 4. I only need 3. Because I'll show you why I'll put 3. Okay, I need 3, and the distance between this, I'll put the same distance as what I put just now. So it will be 2300. Okay, now when I drag this, I'll enter. When I drag this, see, it goes to the center and it's all aligned, and the distance between here to here is the same between here to here and here to here, and vice versa from like this side. Okay, that's the array. Okay, and then another thing, just now if you saw what I did, right, I cut this through. See, before this it was like straight, and then it got this, and then I deleted the line in the middle here, right? So what I'm going to do now is, if you can see, this is a straight line. Okay, I'll show you another example. Okay, make a line here. Okay, this is a line. Alright, I can make this line into 2 lines without like cutting or anything. So using the tool that is called break at point. So we have break at point, and we have breaks. Like breaks is you have to like select 2 points. If like break is only 1 point, alright, I'll show you. So when I click this, specify breakpoint. Maybe I put it here. Okay, that's the breakpoint there. And then now, if you can see, right, this is a different line, and this is a different line. That's break at point. So only you break only one point, and you can move the other line. See, so now it's 2. Just now it was 1, now it's 2. Alright. Okay. Another function is breaks. So you have to like select 2 points in this line. Okay. Let me just select this point, and I'll select this point. See, so you have gap here. Well, like just now, if you can see, right, the lines from here, I can like make it using this. I'll just make it this, and then I can make it like that. See, you have a hole there. That's the function of bricks. All right. Okay, and then yeah, all that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make again array, but then this is different type of array, which is polar array. All right. So what I'll do is, okay, wait, we won't be using here. How about okay, I'll make a polygon here somewhere. Okay, that. How many sides? How about 6 sides? And then, oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, 6. And then edges. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I drag that here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve, an arc. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll just choose this chair and I put it here. Okay, I'm going to rotate. So this rotate. Yeah, there, something like that, and I'm gonna drag it and put it here, and then I'm gonna make array, but along this arc. Okay, just click path. Oh, sorry. This is. I'm sorry. This is pathway arc. So I'll show you the. What was the name again? Polar array. Okay, the polar array. Okay, so I rotate again. Sorry, and then yeah, so. Okay, that'll be good. Okay, so put the chair here. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is I click this polar array, select object, and select object. Alright, and then enter. No, I'm sorry. Close array. Okay, redo. Okay, so first is I'll just polar array. Okay, so array polar, select object, this, and I enter. And now the base point is in the center. See, so you have 6 of that. Alright, it looks good, right? I know, thank you. Okay, now again for another one for the path array. Path array, it follows the path that you drawn. Like this has, you can see this arc, right? If I put this chair, okay, the chair, right? So if I drag this chair, sorry, escape first. Okay, if I drag this here, and then I want my array to follow this line, I just click array, pathway array, and then select object. That's the object, and I click, and then now see, select the curve. This is my curve, and you can see it's beautiful there. And now align the item. See, it looks good. That's all. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.